Top 5 Best Folding Treadmill for Home. Number 5. ProForm Pro 2000 Smart Treadmill. If you're looking for a treadmill with great training capabilities and useful features at a reasonable price, the ProForm Pro 2000 treadmill is the machine for you. Runners will love the 3.5 horsepower motor in the 22 by 60-inch belt deck. If you're training for a race, the ProForm Pro 2000 simulates hills. It can reach a 15% incline as well as a 3% decline to make it feel like you're really running outside. Additionally, the ProForm Pro 2000 comes with a high-definition touchscreen and includes an iFit family membership for a year. This gives you access to thousands of iFit classes for both on and off the treadmill. The best part of the ProForm Pro 2000 is that it has all the features of many high-end treadmills for a few $100s less. If you're looking to add a top-notch treadmill to your home gym for a reasonable price, learn more about the ProForm Pro 2000. Pro's strong motor. Folds to save space. 1 year of iFit family membership included. CONS very heavy. Reports of slow customer service. 10-inch touchscreen seems small. Coming in number 4. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. If you're living in an apartment or looking for a treadmill you can easily stow away, the Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is a great option. It is extremely affordable and easy to use for an at-home walk or jog. The handrails also fold down, so the entire treadmill can flatten to fit underneath furniture such as your bed or couch. This treadmill may not have many high-tech features, but it does have a Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, and remote control, so you can connect the treadmill to your device and play music while you work out. Unfortunately, if you're looking for a treadmill to practice your sprints, the Goplus might not be the best pick. With the handrail folded down, you can use it for walking at speeds up to about 2.5 miles per hour. When the rails are raised, it maxes out around 7 miles per hour. This is a notably smaller speed range than many other treadmills, but you can still get a great workout walking or jogging on this unit, which doesn't take up much space in your home. Learn more about the Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Pro's easy to use. Extremely affordable. Compact and foldable. Thousands of positive Amazon reviews. CONS. No high-tech features. Not meant for fast running. Should be secured to a wall if stored vertically. Coming in number 3. Echelon Stride Auto Fold Connected Treadmill. The Echelon Stride Auto Fold Connected Treadmill is a compact treadmill that provides you with everything you need for a great at-home workout. It connects with your mobile devices to let you stream live and on-demand running and walking classes with competitive leaderboards. It has a large touchscreen display with Bluetooth, and you can run up to 12 miles per hour. While it's not the most powerful treadmill on the market, you get the experience of a high-end treadmill for a fraction of the cost. The best part is that the entire treadmill folds up with the push of a button. This makes the Echelon Stride a great choice for people with smaller living spaces or for those who want to tuck the treadmill away when they aren't using it. The optional Echelon membership is a major perk. For a monthly fee that's cheaper than most gym memberships, you get access to all of Echelon's live and on-demand classes. You can supplement your walks and runs with thousands of classes taught by experienced trainers for strength, yoga, Pilates, boxing, and more. Pro's compact, with everything you need. Touchscreen display with a device holder. Folds up automatically with the push of a button. Echelon membership offers classes and workouts off the treadmill. CONS. Not as sturdy as heavier treadmills. No built-in screen for streaming classes. Echelon membership costs an additional fee. Coming in number 2. ProForm Pro 2000 Treadmill. J.R. Hughes, an Atlanta-based RRCA-certified running coach, likes this ProForm 2000 model because he says it offers a good ROI for the price. It sits at a budget-conscious price and offers several challenging workouts for walking, jogging, and running, says Hughes, noting that the foldable deck is easy to raise and lower, clearing space when not in use. It has the ability to decline and incline, simulating downhill and uphill running, which is great if you need to train indoors and need hill workouts. Bonus: the iFit app allows you to download additional running workouts. Coming in number 1. NordicTrack 1750 Commercial Treadmill. This treadmill is good for the average runner on a budget. According to Corinne Fitzgerald, head coach at Mile High Run Club, the on-demand running and boot camp style classes allow folks to switch up their routine with a variety of exercises and workouts, And for those who find themselves fumbling with the console buttons mid-run, she explains that this model has the convenience of instant speed and incline with one tap. Should you need more space to move around, she also likes that the wide belt is spacious enough for interval training.